Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. I'm going to talk about DualTite adhesive rolls or the sheets. I get mine from Creative Cut Supply. I met him at a show. He's a nice young man, and he sent me some samples, and I tested it. I couldn't believe how good it was. So I bought me a roll, and the shipping was fast. I mean, they kept emailing me, your shipment's on the way, your shipments are delivered, you know. And when I first thought $80, well, in being generous, and if my math is correct, you could make 1,620 3.5 inch ornaments. And I'm talking about being generous because I bought the 12-inch roll, and it's 12 by 120, whatever, 80 yards. And I use alder for my ornaments, and the alder is 4 inches. So it just lays down there. So you could, for less than a nickel, and I'm being generous. Now, I cut out it. I was going to do a test to see how strong it was. And I used True Flats painted walnut as the backing. I used just birch plywood for a hanger. But I just put the dual type tape on just 1/8 inch strap. I could have cheated and covered the whole thing in tape, but I wanted to do just like letters or an ornament would be. I've been doing woodworking since junior high. I'm 72 years old. And I wasn't being ultra careful putting wood glue. And I would maybe suggest using CA glue or super glue. And I wasn't being real careful, but in glue, you're going to get squeeze out. With this, I was calling it double-sided tape. It's not double-sided tape. It's adhesive sandwiched between two pieces of, well, on the row, it's only sandwiched between one sheet. There's where I use my X-Acto knife to pick it up, the paper off. It's a sheet of glue sandwiched between paper. So I wanted to see how strong it was. So I made that little jig, and a lot of people are going to laugh. There's 2 full bottles of water, but they're like 17-ounce bottles. Plus, it wasn't given, so I put a 5-pound little hammer on it, pretty heavy little hammer. And the only thing holding it is that X right there with the tape. And I'm almost positive I could go more. So that's a lot more force than you will ever occur with it. But I just thought, I'm going to see, because it should rip right off. Of course, the picture does it no justice. But anyway, and I just want to state, I'm not associated with Creative Cuts. I'm not associated with DualTite. I don't make any money off of it. I just like showing off what works. And this, if you're not using it for doing, like multiple layers of things or Christmas ornaments where you're gluing to another piece of wood, you're missing out. So I'll leave a link to Creative Cuts where you can get it. And they also sell plywood, and he's a pretty neat young man. He researched plywood and got better plywood because he cuts out a lot of ornaments. Anyway, I hope that you found that interesting, and thank you for watching.